In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Proton VPN for gaming. So if you are a gamer like, for example, me, you can see I got a lot of games going on and you got some lag issues or some ping issues due to regional uh, discrepancies and distance issues. Then what you can do is simply head over to this quick connect option, and then it is going to be connecting it to the most suitable inside US. So whether whatever platform you're using, you can see currently we are on connected with the US server. You can also connect with various others as well, whatsoever that you would like, and it is going to be changing to that region for better ping. And of course, once you have better ping in your games, you're gonna have a better performance. So that's how we can use Proton VPN for gaming, and this is the official application that I use, and you should use this as well. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.